Before we start this interview, I would like to tell you that this interview is recorded. Um, so I need your permission to submit this video for my performance book.
Okay,
Will I have the permission to record this video?
okay, go.
Thank you so much. Let's get started. For the first question is, how do computers help you with your work every day?
Well, for me, computers plays a critical role in my daily life by improving efficiency and productivity. Well, I use this organized task to organize our tasks and manage our emails and keep tracks of the schedules through our calendars application. For our communication as well, I rely on video conferencing, specifically pag if class suspension, and we use the platforms to collaborate with our learners and teachers and to any matters that we are. And in terms of data, computers also help me to handle large amounts of information from creating the reports of our spreadsheet, definitely the Excel, and also to analyze our data for better decision making, and also to store our important files for our reports, and also allowing us to access and share documents from anywhere. Additionally, specialized software makes my work easier. So computers streamline my workflow, make collaboration easier, and help me stay organized and efficient throughout the day.
Thank you for that insight. Let's get to the next question. For the second question is, how have computers changed the way things are done in your industry?
Well, for our industry, especially in education, computers help to revolutionize industries through streamlining the processes, improving the communication, and enhancing the productivity. In many fields, tasks that used to be manual or time-consuming are now automated, and which is to reduce errors and save time. For example, data analysis, which once took days or weeks, can now be completed in minutes using computers. With the help of this powerful software, um, especially in our industry or in our system, it also enables better collaboration through projects, reporting, sharing platforms, um, video conferencing, which is allowing us also to get in different locations during calamities of no class or class suspension, and of course, access of files eliminating the needs of physical storage. Overall, computer made process faster and accurate and more overall efficient while fostering and culturing innovation and flexibility of our workplace.
I see that's very convenient. So here's the pointer to benefits of using devices. For the first question, what are the main benefits of using computers in your industry, in your company?
Well, in our fields, increased efficiency. Another one is improved communication and data management, advancement analytics, cost savings, and security.
Thank you for that insight. For the second question, for the pointer two, can you give an example of how computers have improved your company's performance?
Definitely, it is clear example of our computers have improved our system performance through the integration of any activity management using our software. Before this coordinating tasks across departments was often time consuming and lead us to a miscommunication. But now, with the tools like Microsoft Teams, we can assign tasks, set a deadlines, and track progress in real time, all from central platform.
Thank you. Now let's go to the pointer three. And the first question is, how do you ever notice any problems like stresses from using computers all the time?
Yes, I have noticed that excessive computer use can sometimes lead to stress and other physical or mental challenges. One common issue is eye strain from staring at the screen for a long period of time. And another challenge is a posture related, like back and neck pain. Mental fatigue and stress can also arise from constantly being connected, especially with the multitasking or dealing with large amounts of information. So it is important to set boundaries, take break, and manage screen time and maintain a healthy work-life balance.
Thank you. How do computers affect the safety and privacy of your company's information?
Definitely, computer play a crucial role in both our enhancing and challenging the safety and privacy of our system. On the positive side, they allow us to implement of advanced cybersecurity measures such as firewall, encryption, and anti-factors authentication, maybe, which help protect our sensitive data from unauthorized access or potential cyber attacks. And also, I believe that monitor and detect suspicious activity through security software, reducing the risk of data breaches.
I see. Now for the last question for the pointer review. Do you ever face any challenges or risk from using computers too much?
Yes, of course, using computers excessively does come with some challenge and risk. One common issue is physical strain, such as eye fatigue and headache, neck or back pain from poor posture and long hours of using. So to address this, it takes a regular breath adjust by workstation for a better ergonomic or a great design of chairs to be used to this, and break to avoid all of these things.
Now for the last pointer, I would like to ask the first question to you. How would your company work if your computers doesn't exist?
Um, for without computers, our system would face significantly challenges in how to operate. Many tasks are currently automated or streamlined would have to be done manually, resulting in slower processes and higher labor costs. Definitely. For instance, tasks like working the grades of learners and even to communication would become far from time consuming like a messenger. So we would like to rely on a paper-based system and record keeping, leading to inefficiencies in data management, storage, and retrieval of our uh, grades. So that is one point of view in if without computer we cannot make it our work faster.
What task would be most difficult if you had no computers to use?
Mm, well, in our system in education, I believe that if we don't have any computer, one of the most difficult tasks would be the data management, or it is analyze and integrate or working with the grades and as well as to submit our reports.
I see. Well, for the last question in this, for the last pointer, how would your entire industry be affected if there were no computers at all?
Hmm. Well, computers didn't exist. Well, for the entire education system, face the profound challenges. Number one, operational efficiency. So we cannot process our current automated would be rebuilt with a manual method back to the basic. Number two is communication as well, communicating with different to the parents and learners, especially without if we don't have any class since of the weather condition. Data management as well, creating our grades innovation if we have customer service, globalization, training and development of teachers. And the last, finally, without computers, it would be experienced significantly decline in efficiency, communication, innovation, customer service, and the ability to compete in a global market would be severe in compromise, ultimately impacting economic growth and advancement within the teaching and learning process.
Well, this is the end of our interview. Thank you for the questions.
Okay, thank you likewise.